hello Anya, I'm gonna show you how to make birria. I make my birria with beef. You can eat it as a stew with some fresh lime juice, some onion and fresh cilantro. You eat it with warm tortillas, or you can make it into tacos. In a large pot, add your beef. Then a seasoning mix made of cumin, oregano, chili powder, salt and beef bouillon. Next, add your veggies. I'm using a whole onion, 1 bulb of garlic, you can leave the skin on, 1 whole carrot, dried chili peppers, you can use chili California or guajillo, and top it with some bay leaves. You want to cover this with hot water. I'm using a 7-quart pot and fill it up all the way to the top. Cover and let it boil for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the chilies are nice and soft. Remove the chilies and add to a blender. You can add a little broth to it as well. Then skim off some of the impurities from the meat or the seeds. Next, you want to blend the chili peppers until it becomes a smooth paste. Then you want to strain the paste through a sieve to remove bits of skins and seeds. Stir into the broth, cover and cook on medium heat for 3 hours. So 3 hours have passed. As you can see, the broth has significantly cooked down. You want to remove all the vegetables and take out the meat. Next, you want to shred your beef. It's super easy because it's really soft, and you want to add it back to your broth. And your birria is ready to be served. Just add some onion, cilantro, give it a good squeeze of lime, and then dip warm corn tortillas in it. Enjoy!